Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a wheelchair accessible van like most of our vehicles. I'll get right to the conversion. As you can see, with either one of the key fobs on here, you can operate the power doors. It's also got the auto start, which I'll show you here in a minute. This ramp, what I like about this ramp, it's separated from the door. Meaning if there's an issue, the bronze of the world, they sync them all together. They're a lot more expensive to work on. They're a lot more time consuming. That's how they make all their money. Whereas this adaptive van is separated to get the ramp down. It's a simple winch motor. Very affordable to replace if it ever goes bad. This ramp is 28 3/4 inch of usage of usable width. 54.5 inches coming inside the van. 55.5 inches of headroom inside the van. Got this carbon fiber floor, very easy to clean, very easy to wash out if it gets dirty or anything. See your tie down points there. We give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. Got the leather seats. This is the GT, so it's loaded up. It's even got the GTs are the only ones that have these. Have that little plug-in down there. So if you say have an oxygen concentrator or some kind of medical equipment that you need to plug in, you've got the option. It's got a removable passenger seat. So if you're someone that maybe wants to drive this van and you're in a wheelchair but you can transfer, you can maybe park it back here. And I'm not a real big guy, but I can slide between these seats when the passenger's all the way forward, the driver's all the way back. So that's one option. Get up here in the driver's seat and sit down and drive. Or you could possibly remove the passenger seat, pull your wheelchair up next to it, transfer over and drive. So a couple options in case you want to do this van, use it by yourself, be independent. Has the rear air, plenty of storage compartment. The dash is in excellent condition. And this van's basically a brand new van. Steering wheel controls for the air, backup camera, navigation, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of cup holders up here. So when you've got everybody secure, and you can shut all the doors from up there as well. So there's a variety of places. It's also got the option to operate the ramp. It says I can hold it up here, and you have to hold it. So you can shut everything down just like so, all from the key fob. We'll do a quick walk around to the van. It has tinted windows, the blacked out alloy wheels. Again, this van only has 1,100 miles on it, so the tires are like new. Super clean, super sharp looking van. And people would ask, well, how did you buy a van with 1,000 miles on it? A lot of these rental car companies, when COVID hit, they had a lot of excess vehicles. They had to get rid of a lot of them because people stopped traveling, obviously. So there was an excess of vans like this or vehicles like this with really low miles out there. We were lucky enough to get our hands on. So it's about like buying a brand new van and saving about $20,000 off. What these things easily go for $60,000, $70,000 brand new. A lot of these people are selling for that. So if you want to save some money on essentially brand new van, this might be for you. It's got the power passenger seat. Like I said, it has the 2 key fobs. And it's got the 2 remotes for the ramp. So got an extra remote for each. It's got the remote start. So if you want to have the air conditioner cooling off the van nice and cool, and a hot day like this, or come winter time, if you want the van all warmed up and defrosted by the time you get out there, that auto start is a lifesaver. Show you the VIN number here. We always show the VIN number in our videos. Power driver seat as well. Radio works just fine. You can see the current miles, 1,117. Radio down. Has your navigation, like I mentioned, has your backup camera for safety. All great features to have. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine. We've checked this for any damage. We check and inspect our vehicles very thorough. No signs of any water damage. Yes, there are people who will pull these things out of flood areas and convert them and try and sell them, which is why a lot of them, they don't show you the undercarriage. That's why I'm crawling on the ground over here. It's almost 100 degrees out today, or it's pretty warm. I'm on the ground showing you. I want you to see exactly what you're getting. So our competition, you'll notice a lot of them, they don't show the undercarriage. And there's a reason for that. They're buying rusted out vehicles with issues. So no matter who you are, that's the #1 mistake people make when purchasing a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures They assume because the price looks good on the internet. They assume because the salesman was nice to them that the van runs and drives good, that the van's not all rusted out, that the conversion works like it should. People don't assume things. People get burned and scammed on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video like this. If someone's going to ask you to pay $20, $30, $40, $50,000 for a mobility van, tell them to get off their behind and make a video so you know exactly what you're getting. And that's the exact reason I make this video. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway so you can hear the engine run, you can feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or you come in and drive this van home, you know we've made sure this van is roadworthy. It does come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Dodge. The conversion is warranted as well. It comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty from Dodge on the powertrain also. So I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I would ask you, compare their reputation to ours. See our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at their rating with the Better Business Bureau. See how they compare to us. Also look at our ratings online. Look at all the great things people had to say about us on Google, our excellent ratings, and again, compare us. As you know, vehicle shopping can be a pain. You do not want to combine that with a shady dealer, or if you're doing business with an individual you know nothing about them, you have no protection from the state. You know, as dealers, we are required by the state to provide titles and do all sorts of things to make sure the consumers are taken care of. So also, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a great price online. Then you factor in, you have to set up all the shipping, you have to pay for all the shipping, and not only that, they have all these hidden fees. They have $500, $1,000 in document fees, tag fees that they didn't tell you about. You know, if someone's going to not tell you about money on a van, what else are they hiding from you is something you definitely need to ask yourself. I'm going to give the van a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So back to comparing us to the competition. It's you know, I'm out here making these videos, and the reason I make these videos is because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I've been doing this for 9 years now, and everyone that gets these vans, they say, Jeremiah, that's exactly what I was expecting, and that's my goal here. And it's 85 degrees, yep, not quite 90. 85, I'm out laying on the ground, hot pavement crawling underneath the van. I'm doing this because I want you to know what you're getting. So we make the videos, demand a detailed video like this. Do not get scammed on the internet. Demand a video. Also, like I said, I'm the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. I have no desire to do the used car salesman tactics. And if you want to do business with a used car salesman who's probably not going to be working there in a month or two, they don't really care if you get a good deal. They don't really care if you get the truth. They care about one thing, and that's that commission check. I'm the owner of the company. I care about your repeat business. I care about what you say about us. I care about you getting a good deal. And I care about you getting 100% honest truth. That's the difference between doing business with the owner and doing business with a used car salesman. So if you want to do business with an owner, not a used car salesman, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Try get the owner's cell phone number from one of those big companies. Go ahead, when you're talking to them, ask for the owner's cell phone number in case there's ever an issue, because you now have the owner of Affordable Mobility's cell phone number. Check our inventory out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. We do have financing available, and as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.